This is going to be our attempt at demonstrating how to make a Venom lightweight. We believe this is the last of its type. It's made by Soaring sailplanes. It's a wing type slope soaring model suitable for light winds. In the box it comes with the wings pre-shaped with cutouts for battery, receiver and servos. Comes with a carbon spar to provide additional strength. It goes into a slot. The wing will be covered with crossweave tape to provide strength, and then covered with a coloured vinyl tape. We'll cover it in yellow to keep the sunlight off of the crossweave tape, which degrades eventually from the ultraviolet light. Also in the kit we get a couple of wingtip pieces, a pair of ailerons already cut, a small bag of bits, control horn, clevises, some infill pieces and some double-sided sticky tape. The radio gear we're going to use is a small 6-channel high-tech receiver and a pair of HS81 servos. You can use full-size servos according to the instructions, but these are the ones that we've got at the moment. We intend to stick the two halves of the wing together using some Zaki glue. We've already done a test. These are a couple of the additional packing pieces of EPP. We've glued the centre bit together just as a test to check that the glue doesn't damage this type of foam. Okay, we're going to glue the two halves together using the glue. We'll put some blobs of the glue on the halves. So, like right, put the two halves together. Right, whilst we're waiting for that, I'm going to put the spar in. Try not to get too much glue on my fingers. Just some blobs of glue. No, it's alright, leave it. There we go. Put the spar in. Get the glue on there. Would have a longer setting time. Alright then. Put these pieces in. Like so. Make sure it all stays together once it's glued. Right. I'm going to leave this to dry overnight, make sure it's thoroughly set before moving on for the next step. Wrap that around. Eighth square balsa strip that comes in the kit is cut into 6 equal lengths and then is pushed into the flutes of the ailerons to stiffen it up where the control horn is going to be fitted. the balsa strip pieces have been pushed in the appropriate distance where the horn is going to be. So they've been pushed in using the control rods that come with it. Done the same on both of them. Made a bit of a mess with that one. Okay, and now we're going to fit the ailerons using some crossweave tape. To do the underside of the aileron, after sticking the top strip down, you fold it over like that, then stick tape along there and wrap it underneath. Okay, we've got the ailerons fitted. Now we're going to go for some vinyl tape. So we're going to strips of vinyl tape running across the top, then overlap, move forward up the wing. Okay, we've got the wings covered. It's time to prepare the radio installation. I'm not keen to cut the tabs off of them, even though it suggests doing that in the instructions. So I'm going to cut a slot suitable for the servo to sit down in, complete with the ears attached. Cut the slots using a knife down the side, and then just using the control rod to pick out the bits of foam. Then servo should. Nice tight fit. That's not going to go anywhere. I've cut some bits of foam to use as packing between the servo and the receiver. Got a switch in there that's not mounted properly yet, but the switch, the toggle part of it, will go down through the hole and exit on the top of the model. That's going to be attached to the servo using double-sided sticky tape. The servos will be stuck in with double-sided sticky tape. But first I need to check the radio for centre position. I've threaded the aerial lead of the receiver through one of the flutes, travels right out to the wingtip, and there will even be a few inches hanging out the end.